Imagine this. You are standing in an electronics store, looking at the Apple AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods 3. Your mind is racing, thinking, which one is the right choice for me? I get it. Making a decision when both products are impressive can be overwhelming. Today, I want to help you cut through the noise and give you all the insights you need to make a confident decision. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which AirPods fit your lifestyle, your budget, and your listening preferences, and you will feel absolutely confident walking into the store or ordering online. Before we dive in, imagine yourself putting on these earbuds, feeling the immersive sound, the crisp highs, deep lows, and the seamless connection with all your Apple devices. Picture using them while you commute, work, exercise, or just relax at home. That experience is what makes these devices not just earbuds, but tools that enhance your life every single day. Now let's break it down. Starting with the AirPods Pro 2, Apple's latest flagship truly sets a high bar. They come with advanced active noise cancellation, letting you immerse yourself completely in your music or podcasts without interruptions from the outside world. If you have ever tried listening to music in a crowded cafe or on a busy street, you know exactly how transformative this feature can be. The AirPods Pro 2 also include the transparency mode, which lets you stay aware of your surroundings whenever you need to. Think about walking on a busy sidewalk or needing to hear an announcement at the airport. You can switch seamlessly without taking your earbuds off. When it comes to sound quality, the AirPods Pro 2 feature adaptive audio technology, which dynamically adjusts the sound profile to your ear shape and size. That means the highs are crisp, the mids are balanced, and the bass is rich, giving you an immersive listening experience. Whether you're enjoying your favorite playlist, an audiobook, or a movie, the sound feels full and natural. Now, let's talk comfort and fit. The AirPods Pro 2 come with silicone tips in multiple sizes, which allow for a customizable fit. This is perfect if you want earbuds that stay snug during workouts or long listening sessions. You can wear them for hours without discomfort, which is something many buyers prioritize when comparing earbuds. On the battery front, the AirPods Pro 2 deliver approximately 6 hours of listening on a single charge, and with the charging case, you get up to 30 hours of total listening. That is more than enough for a full day of work, travel, or leisure, and for most users, the case provides a convenient way to recharge multiple times. Plus, the charging case now includes precision finding features, making it easier than ever to locate if misplaced. A thoughtful addition for anyone who is prone to misplacing small tech gadgets. The price range for the AirPods Pro 2 is around $249 to $279 in the United States. While this is a premium investment, it is reflected in the features, comfort, and Apple ecosystem integration that you are receiving. Switching gears to the AirPods 3, these earbuds are the next generation of Apple's standard line, designed to offer a great experience at a slightly lower price point. They have an impressive spatial audio feature with dynamic head tracking, which gives a sense of sound moving around you, making music, movies, and games more immersive. This is a technology that previously was mostly seen in high-end models, and Apple has now made it more accessible. The design of the AirPods 3 is sleek and lightweight, with a universal fit that works well for most users. They don't come with silicone tips like the Pro, but the contoured design ensures a secure fit for daily use. Comfort is excellent, and many users find that these earbuds stay in place during normal activities, making them a solid option for casual listening or work-from-home setups. When it comes to battery life, the AirPods 3 shine with 6 hours of listening time, and with the charging case, you can achieve up to 30 hours of total usage, almost identical to the AirPods Pro 2. This is perfect for people who are on the go and want reliable, long-lasting listening without frequent charging interruptions. The price range for the AirPods 3 is around $199 to $219, which makes them a more affordable option for buyers who want the Apple experience without the premium price tag of the Pro model. Now let's talk about connectivity and ecosystem. Both the AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods 3 connect seamlessly with all Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and even Apple Watch. Switching between devices is automatic, which means you can answer a call on your Mac while listening to music on your iPhone without a hiccup. Both devices also support Siri voice commands, allowing you to control playback, adjust volume, or make calls hands-free. This is a feature that elevates the convenience factor immensely. Price, battery, comfort, and features aside, you may be asking yourself, how do I choose between these two options? That's where your lifestyle and preferences come into play. If noise cancellation and customizable fit are a priority, for example, if you travel frequently, work in noisy environments, or simply want the most immersive listening experience, the AirPods Pro 2 are clearly a strong contender. On the other hand, if you want spatial audio, a sleek design, and excellent sound without paying the premium, the AirPods 3 offer tremendous value while still delivering a high-quality Apple experience. Something that buyers often overlook is durability and longevity. Both models are built with the same attention to quality that Apple is known for. They are resistant to sweat and water, meaning workouts, rainy days, or accidental splashes won't immediately ruin your investment. And because both are part of the Apple ecosystem, software updates over time will continue to improve features and usability. Now, let's discuss price to value ratio, because this is where many buyers hesitate. If you weigh the cost versus features, you are essentially deciding, do I want the extra noise cancellation, customizable fit, and advanced case features of the Pro for roughly $50 to $80 more? Or do I want a slightly simpler, yet still high-quality listening experience with the AirPods 3 at a lower price point? There is no wrong choice here. It is simply about prioritizing what matters most to your daily use. At this point, I want to give you a quick tip. If you are watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss future comparisons where we break down all the top tech, gadgets, and accessories to help you make smarter buying decisions. Trust me, it is going to save you time and money. Let's talk about sound performance in real life. AirPods Pro 2, thanks to their noise cancellation, make listening in loud environments like coffee shops, airports, or crowded streets feel like you are in your personal studio. The AirPods 3, while they do not cancel noise actively, have excellent passive sound isolation thanks to their ergonomic design and spatial audio. This means music still sounds immersive, and movies or podcasts retain clarity. Both are excellent. It simply depends on your context and usage scenario. Comfort is another key factor. Many buyers who use earbuds for long periods, whether for meetings, work calls, or long commutes, place comfort above almost everything else. The AirPods Pro 2's silicone tips allow for a customized fit, reducing ear fatigue, while the AirPods 3's universal design offers lightweight comfort for general use. Again, no one is worse. It is about what matches your ears and your habits best. The charging experience also plays a role in daily convenience. Both devices now support MagSafe charging cases and fast wireless charging. Imagine leaving home in the morning and knowing you can get an hour of playback in just 5 minutes of charging. That type of convenience can make a huge difference in how often you actually use your earbuds throughout the day. Now let's put these earbuds into real-world scenarios, because at the end of the day, what really matters is how they perform in your life. Imagine you are commuting to work, riding the subway, or walking through a busy city. The AirPods Pro 2's active noise cancellation makes a noticeable difference. Street noise fades, conversations around you are muffled, and you can focus entirely on your music or podcast. But what if you don't want complete isolation? That's where transparency mode shines. You can hear announcements, traffic, or conversations without removing a single earbud. It's the perfect balance of immersion and awareness. On the other hand, the AirPods 3 deliver a slightly different experience. Without active noise cancellation, they rely on a snug, ergonomic fit and spatial audio to give your music depth and presence. While you might notice more background sound compared to the Pro, you still get a rich, immersive experience, especially if you're listening in quieter settings, like at home, in the office, or during workouts. Many buyers actually prefer this approach because it keeps you aware of your surroundings while still enjoying premium sound. Speaking of workouts, both earbuds handle sweat and light moisture with ease, thanks to their water resistance rating. Whether you're jogging in the park or doing a high-intensity gym session, neither model will fail you. But if you prefer earbuds that stay in your ears during vigorous movement, the customizable silicone tips of the Pro 2 can provide a more secure fit. The AirPods 3, however, remain surprisingly comfortable and secure for general activity, making them a solid choice for users who value comfort over a sealed fit. Now let's talk daily convenience and charging habits. Both earbuds feature fast charging. 5 minutes of charging gives you about an hour of listening. That's perfect for those busy mornings when you forgot to charge overnight. The AirPods Pro 2 case includes the Find My feature, which can save you a lot of stress if you misplace it. The AirPods 3, while not offering the exact same advanced case features, still come with MagSafe wireless charging and a compact, portable case that is easy to carry in a pocket or bag. When it comes to price and value, think of it like this. The AirPods Pro 2 cost roughly $249 to $279, reflecting their premium features such as noise cancellation, customizable fit, and precision finding case. The AirPods 3 come in at a slightly lower range, around $199 to $219, offering excellent sound quality, spatial audio, and seamless Apple device integration. Both deliver great value, depending on what features you prioritize most. Here's a scenario many buyers ask about. I travel a lot. Should I get Pro 2 or 3? For frequent flyers, commuters, or those in noisy workspaces, the noise cancellation and transparency mode of the Pro 2 can transform the way you experience sound. For casual listeners, those who primarily use earbuds at home, at the office, or for light commutes, the AirPods 3 provide a premium audio experience without paying the higher price tag. There is no wrong answer, only what fits your lifestyle. Now let's dive into technical specifications in a way that matters for everyday use. The AirPods Pro 2 feature active noise cancellation and transparency mode, adaptive audio with spatial sound, 6 hours listening time per charge, 30 hours with case, customizable silicone tips for perfect fit, precision finding via MagSafe and Find My, sweat and water resistance. The AirPods 3 include spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, 6 hours listening time per charge, 30 hours with case, sleek universal ergonomic fit, MagSafe wireless charging, sweat and water resistance. Notice how each specification translates to real benefits for you, the buyer. Whether it is comfort, battery, portability, or immersive audio, both are designed to enhance your life. Let's consider another key factor, integration with Apple devices. Both AirPods seamlessly connect to iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. Switching devices is automatic, so you can watch a movie on your iPad, take a call on your iPhone, and continue listening to music on your Mac without skipping a beat. Siri integration allows hands-free control, meaning you can play, pause, skip, adjust volume, or make calls without touching your device. This is convenience that fits naturally into your everyday routine. Another important consideration is durability and longevity. Apple products are built to last, and both the AirPods Pro 2 and 3 are no exception. They are sweat and water resistant, can withstand daily use, and receive software updates that continue to enhance functionality over time. This means you are not just buying earbuds, you are investing in a device that will remain useful and relevant for years. Now, let's talk about the user experience for calls and meetings. The AirPods Pro 2 provide exceptional voice clarity thanks to advanced microphones and noise cancellation. Your voice comes through clearly even in noisy environments, making them ideal for work calls or video meetings. The AirPods 3 also deliver excellent call quality with high-fidelity microphones, perfect for users who are on calls in quieter settings or use them primarily at home or the office. Let's not forget portability and convenience. Both earbuds are compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. The cases fit into pockets or bags effortlessly, and the wireless charging options mean you rarely have to worry about plugging them in. For anyone who travels or commutes frequently, this portability is essential. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, I see the differences, but which should I pick? Here's the approach I recommend. Think about your priorities. If you value maximum immersion, customizable fit, and advanced noise cancellation, the AirPods Pro 2 are a perfect match. If you prefer great sound, sleek design, and a slightly lower price, the AirPods 3 will deliver exceptional value. There is no loser here. Both offer premium quality, seamless Apple integration, and features that enhance your lifestyle. Before I wrap up, here's a quick tip for buyers. If you're looking for the best deal, check Apple's official website, authorized retailers, and seasonal deals during Black Friday, Amazon Prime Day, or holiday sales. Sometimes the AirPods 3 are discounted more aggressively, giving you a premium experience at a bargain price. If you are enjoying this comparison and finding it helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It lets me know that you want more comparisons like this, and it helps other viewers find this video too. Also, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We break down all the best tech, gadgets, and products so you can make smarter buying decisions every single time. In conclusion, both AirPods are fantastic options for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. The Pro 2 offers noise cancellation, advanced fit, and extra convenience features for a slightly higher price, while the AirPods 3 deliver amazing sound, spatial audio, and sleek design for a lower cost. Your choice comes down to lifestyle, priorities, and budget. Whichever you choose, you are getting top-tier sound quality, seamless device integration, and a product that enhances your daily life. Remember, the key is to pick the one that aligns most closely with how you use earbuds, commuting, working, exercising, or relaxing. Both are excellent, both are thoughtfully designed, and both will give you a premium listening experience. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons, because we'll continue to break down the best-selling products and gadgets in the US, showing you the differences, benefits, and everything you need to know to make an informed buying decision without wasting time or money. Your decision today doesn't have to be stressful. With the insights from this video, you now have a clear roadmap to choose the AirPods that fit you best. And remember, whether you go with the AirPods Pro 2 or AirPods 3, you're getting one of the best audio experiences Apple has to offer, tailored for your lifestyle.